Hello everyone, so today's video I'm going to show you how to install a vanity bathroom light on a hallway bathroom upstairs that's getting renovated. You can see I mounted the junction box to the electrical wall plate that goes for the vanity light, so let's install the vanity light to the junction box and wire it up. You see I have the new vanity light fixture, so I'm going to wire it up to the wiring of the electrical box. I go for the vanity power light. And connect the neutral wire, which is the white wire. The two wires are completely secured with the wire nut. You can see we connected the three wires, hot and neutral, in the ground on the ground screw attached to the junction box. And you can put it into the electrical box. And make sure you line those holes for the mounting screws. Make sure you get the wires in through the junction box. Make sure it's not hitting the metal. Make sure you line the holes that goes to the electrical mounting plate. Just need to put the Phillips screws into where you align the holes on the junction box. And not to mention, if you guys are wondering how I installed this, glass lenses in these vanity light fixture, as you can tell, these ones have a brass locking collar in them. So if you were to remove it, you just need to turn it and you can hear it come loose. As this one, if you turn it, it unscrews it. And if you were to installing this, you have to take the locking collar off of this brass connection that goes through this threaded E26 bulb socket. You just gotta make sure you don't coarse thread this locking collar. Just gotta go in there perfectly and it should screw in just simple. And of course, if you were to take the collar out of this thing, you just need to put the glass in through the hole and then put the locking collar in, and you just need to tighten it, and it's simple. And that's how you install it. Very simple, and of course easy to install on these vanity lights fixtures. Even if you know and looking in the instructions very carefully and stuff, you're gonna get used to knowing how to take these things out. If you're ever needing to clean these things in the future, or if you were to change in the light bulbs, you don't even need to take the glass out. You just need to unscrew the bulb, put a new bulb in, and you should be good to go. And that's something I'm showing you guys of, which I already didn't show it on camera, which I didn't show you guys in that part. But you guys know how these things get installed and stuff. Always gotta look through your instructions when you're doing vanity installations, because honestly, this is a fixture that I bought off on Amazon. Really good light fixtures. They all customize on what type of brand you want to purchase of on these fixtures. Of course, they're really good fixtures you can look on Amazon, because they have a lot of light fixtures you can look at for the installations. Or if you're to renovating your bathroom or doing a vanity light fixture replacement in a bathroom, this is something you basically find, and there's a lot of them you can find in the options of purchasing a vanity light fixture. So I'm just showing you guys on how these were installed on a vanity light. And you just need to put in E26 Edison bulbs. And these bulbs are LED. You can get these off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can get one of these. E26 Edison warm light bulbs. And we just need to turn the power back on. Turn the breaker back on. The power's back on. Now I'm gonna flip the light switch. I'm gonna turn on this brand new Vanity light fixture, as you can tell, with the new E26 Edison bulbs. You can see how perfect the light is coming out on this Vanity light fixture. And that's how you install a Vanity light fixture on a new renovated bathroom. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button and make sure you click that subscribe button if you haven't already on this repair channel. And have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.